Okay, so we're going to be doing analysis today on the USD South African Rand. As you can see here, this is from the monthly time frame. I find this particular currency pair very interesting, which I'm going to be giving us a brief analysis on this particular currency pair. So from the monthly time frame, my first course of action is to identify support and resistance either on the horizontal or vertical, and which I've been able to identify here. So I'm going to be doing a quick setup on this particular currency pair. So I would make sure that I get the accurate levels of where price tested either twice or three times, as it is known across board, how to identify support and resistance either on the vertical or horizontal line. So this is my first course of action, and which I will switch to candlestick. So the direction for this is still strongly bearish based on this market structure, but notwithstanding, USD is also one of the most traded currency pair across the global market. So, and moving on, I will move to my um, weekly time frame, which is week one, and I'm also seeing a level here. Price is still within the channel. I will move back to my line chart and use the Fibonacci tool. I want to get the accurate point whereby I can go in on this particular currency pair. So from the very bottom of the last support and place where market started, buying, is where my focus would be, just to the 4 hour. The 4 hour will be my point of execution. So on the weekly time frame, my Fibonacci level is drawn. I will still move to the line charts to see the possibility of what really happened here. Okay, I could also pick a level 2 as well, because from the within the channel, price moved to the upside, and you see that this is an ascending kind of a currency movement. So what I will do is I will pick out points where price broke out of structure, which is this. So what I'm looking at for is breakout strategy. Okay, this is breakout strategy on the weekly time frame. Okay, so you're going to look out for multiple support level areas where price at least tested twice or three times. Okay, I'm not really getting the accuracy that I need, but we know that within this particular channel, price moved, and we had fake outs here, we had fake outs, price came to retest but pull right back into the channel. So what I'm seeing here is price has already broken out and retest, which is pullback, and price is to the downside. So let us look at the weekly time, the daily time frame rather. We can see clearly on the daily time frame that this particular channel, which we did here on the weekly time frame, so the focus is this breakout out of structure on the weekly time frame. So for the daily time frame, I'm looking at this particular area. So I'm also seeing something else too. This is to give me the confirmation I need to go in on this particular currency pair, although I'm not really seeing levels where I can join, but my focus is that market has broken out of the on the daily time frame channel, and I'm expecting price to at least pull back to this level. So what I would do next is to wait and see what market will do on the Fibonacci level 23.6. So it means that if market gets here, it will be an opportunity for me to continue to the downside, which is the sell I'm looking at, and my target for this is about the 50% of Fibonacci, which is about 1609 pips. So even with 0.01, you know what that can do to your account. Okay, so this is my focus for now. I'll be patient to see what market is going to do. Let us look at what 4 hours is saying. So you can see that on the 4 hours, we've really had a really long sell out of the channel. This is about 700 pips. So what I will do is that from this level market started selling from, which is the highest, I'll mark my level and wait for price to test 50% of it. Okay, so this will be my focus, 50%, which is about half of it. This is about 356 bits, because we're already having an upward movement. This is the first low, the first high, second low, second high. So we're expecting this price to still push to the upside. So this will be for USD South African Rand, and my focus on this would be to wait for price